Guys, there's a lake in the mountain. You want to check it out? Come on. Everybody, put your hands on my hand.
Ready?
One, two, three. Hike!
Hike!
All right, guys, today's Sunday. It's Father's Day. And what better way to spend the day than going on a hike with the kiddos? Today, and Kayla, I guess. Today, we're going to go to Lonesome Lake. It's like 1,000 elevation gain. We have to hike up the mountain up over the top. There's a lake up top, so we're gonna go check it out, maybe take a little dip. Hopefully Rylan can make it because there is some elevation gain. So see how we do. 1.5 miles to Appalachian Mountain Trail, Lonesome Lake Hut. Watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet.
I like the
Hey, you actually look cute with your hair up and everything. You and Mama look like twins. Twins, Basil. Rylan, why do you got your swim shorts on, dude?
There's a map. There's up there. If we don't find out,
There's what?
there's water we can go swimming in.
You think so?
Up in the up.
What's up there? There's a lake in the mountains?
Yes.
There's a freaking lake up in the mountains.
You want to swim with us?
You want to swim with us? I bet you do. It's kind of hot out again, so we're going to take a little dip. We always have to cross the scary water. Okay, you got that leap?
Yes.
Leap. Woohoo! Nice. Mama got the leap. Wow!
She could just step over.
Nailed it. In case anyone wants to come on this hike, actually, the floor is lava. So you have to be very careful and only step on rocks. So it's been a challenge. Quick, get across. Your shoes are smoking.
I'm not sharing my rock with you.
Well, I think we're almost there. March, march, and march, march. All right, got some fuel, got some water, Gatorade, got some trail mix in us. A little break. Only 0.8 to go. Let's get it.
Rock City, come on up, people.
Rock City.
It's lava here.
Woo! Good job, dude. Point two uphill. Time for another break. Rylan, that's a nice break spot. Look at that recliner. Lean right back on the cold rocks. What? There's a view of the mountains? Yeah, there's more of a view. Oh, kind of. Through the trees. Mountains.
Oh, I see the highway.
Me too. I do too. Oh, we made it high.
Yeah, really. We were down where those cars are.
Yeah. Good job, guys. We're
Awesome.
almost there. Seriously,
We got
we're
this,
almost
dude.
there.
We got this, dude.
Careful.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow. Holy cow. There's plenty of trees that'll catch them. All right, guys, go under quick. Can't hold it for long. Go on without me. Go on without me. Tell me how the lake was. I'm just kidding. I wasn't really holding it. Hike, hike, hike. Oh, it's the same kind of leaf. Hike like a boss. Hike like a boss. Oh. I got some candy.
You missed his face.
Ooh, sour. Some candy for some extra energy. and for doing awesome to make it to the top. You're gonna get some Mondo energy from that thing.
You don't want it?
Don't look too bad. A little bit.
Yeah.
I'm seeing you slow down. What? I've never seen Rylan slow down before. Usually he's bouncing off the walls. Come on, bub. It's not that steep right here. Oh boy. What a test of strength and courage to overcome this big climb. No, don't throw that downhill, Rylan. The hiking trail goes down there. You could hit somebody. Bombs away. All right, come on. How you doing?
Hot.
Yeah? It is hot.
I was just trying to help you. You don't need
Round's
to
cranky.
Yeah.
I had you.
Well, hopefully we're super close because Rylan's starting to feel it. It's warm and sweaty. Our legs are tired. But we want to find this lake way up in the mountains. And we want to show you guys. So we got this. I see a little bit of the water. Oh my God.
My pants are itchy.
It's a tough hike. Definitely the toughest one we've done yet. But
I see part of it.
made it to the top. There's a lake way up here in the freaking mountains. What? This is awesome. Rylan did so good. Adrena did so good. Nice challenging hike for them.
I did good.
Kayla did good too, but she has CrossFit. And we made it to the lake in the mountains.
Back up a little.
What? Oh man, don't fall in.
Alright, be careful, no running. Okay. It'd be a bummer if you fell in this nasty water.
Wow, that was a big jump. Yeah, we can keep going. Oh dude, this is awesome.
Whoa, wait.
Whoa, cool. Look at that.
Yep.
Good hike?
Yeah.
Good hike.
Look at, what if we hiked all of that?
The duck up here.
Oh, guys, don't do it.
I think he wants some bread. Who's got a sandwich?
Give me a sandwich. Wait.
Look at the duck.
Ducky!
How's the water feel?
Good.
It does feel good. It is pretty warm.
As far as you can.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Oh, you switch it? Oh, left hand over there. Quack, quack.
Yes.
How's the water feel, dude? Huh? How's it feel? Oh, yeah. He's splashing us. Oh! It's an egg sack.
Ew, put that back.
Ready? I know, it's so gross. No, what? I thought you liked slime.
No, I don't.
All right, guys, we made it all the way up to the top and all the way down. Rylan made it without being carried. It was definitely quite the challenge today, wasn't it? Pretty tough, but it was also...
I had dirt on my pants and then I changed my underwear.
Oh yeah, you had dirt on your pants from sitting down on the way down.
Yeah.
But it was a pretty cool hike though, wasn't it? Yeah. It was like 4 miles to go up and around the lake. Like 1,000-foot and change elevation gain. So we went pretty far uphill, some tough footing. Hope you enjoyed this hike. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, until the next adventure, stay happy.
Stay weird.